Well, we just have to do it gradually.
Yeah. To do this more than once time in a day.
Yeah.
Another day.
He's shaking.
He's used to dogs, though.
Yes. See, I got his collar on it.
Mm-hmm.
This is easy. Look at me on perfectly.
Can you come a little closer?
Yeah. Thanks. Come here, Petey. I know. I can open it by myself. Look what I got. Right, look who I got out. What? Who is it? Is it Pete the cat? No, it is.
See, Mylie?
They're best friends.
Are they best friends?
Pete, they're going Pete. I know to open it, Mom. I know to open it. Out here, you Mom, I know to open it. I know. Mom, I know. Mom, I know.
Okay.
See what she likes to hook onto me. Don't sniff in my cat's butt.
That's what you do.
Yeah. That's what dogs do. Dogs and cats.
And it sounds like a lawnmower. She's going. He's going.
That's purring.
Pete, you stinker. Pete, come here, want a treat? No, we don't want a treat for him yet.
Kirsten, be careful climbing on that chair.
No, I have an awesome idea.
Because you could smush it.
Mylie.
Mama, it's okay. She likes him. I'll open it. I will open it, Mom. I will open it.
Okay.
I think it found its place to sleep on top of my stuffed animals in my closet.
Yeah.
Hey, Kirsten, it's a cookie. Hey, open it. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Get over here. Oh, under there. Here, kitty. Here, kitty. Mylie.
Aww.
Oh, here, take the thing back here.
Oh, sorry. What?
Aww.
He's just such a cuddle bug.
I know.
You found the little pillows back there.
Come on, get up here.
Mom, I know to open
Here, get up here. Come on.
I know to open it.
I know.
He just